Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to put affiliate links on your Wix website. It's a very easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your account and you might end up over here. Here you can see I have the site over here. I'm going to add affiliate link in this Wix website. And obviously you can add multiple different affiliate links as well as Amazon affiliate links. So you will see what I'm going to talk about. At the top right corner, click on edit site. Once you click on that, you might end up over here. On the left side of the menu, we have so many options. Click on add apps. Here you are going to search for affiliate. So I'm going to do that over here. Once you search that affiliate, you will see something like this. And if you want to go for the specific Amazon affiliate, you can just go and select this and start installing this. It's free to install, as you can see. And once you connect your account of Amazon with Wix, the affiliated products will connect it and will come up on your website itself. You don't need to go ahead and select it manually. It will integrate right away. So let's say if you want this, just click on this option and here you can click on add to site. You just need to connect your account and after that your affiliated products will show up like this. You can put that anywhere. But if you want to go for the different affiliate links, you can also do that. Just click on add apps again, search for affiliate and you will see something like this again. And this is the one which I would say go for it. This is the premium by the way, but this is one of the best and it will allow you to even add Amazon and other links also. So if you're going for the specific Amazon, just click on this one. And if you want to go for the multiple at one place, you can go with this one. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to put affiliate links to your Wix website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.